Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to open a folder on VS Code step by step. First, launch VS Code by clicking the VS Code icon on your desktop, taskbar, or Applications folder. Once it opens, you'll see either the welcome screen or your previously opened workspace. If this is your first time opening VS Code, you'll see the welcome page with walkthroughs. Now, click on File in the top left corner of the window. It's in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, click Open Folder. This will open your system's file browser dialog as a separate window over VS Code. In the file browser, navigate through your folders to find the one you want to open. You can click folders to expand them or use the sidebar to move around your file system. Once you've found the folder you want, click on it once to select it. You'll see it highlighted. Then look to the bottom right corner of the file browser dialog and click the Select Folder button if you're on Windows or the Open button if you're on Mac. The folder will now load into VS Code. You'll see the entire folder structure appear in the sidebar on the left. This is called the Explorer view. All your files and subfolders will be listed there, and you can click on any file to start editing it. Quick tip, if you want to use a keyboard shortcut, instead of going through the File menu, press Ctrl-K, then Ctrl-O on Windows or Linux, or Command-K, then Command-O on Mac. That'll open the folder browser directly. Also, if you ever need to toggle the Explorer sidebar on or off, press Ctrl-Shift-E on Windows or Linux, or Command-Shift-E on Mac. And one more useful thing, VS Code remembers your recently opened folders. So if you need to reopen this folder later, just go to File, then Open Recent, and it'll be in the list. You can also drag a folder directly from your File Explorer onto the VS Code window to open it instantly. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.